Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a custom token asset to your Zano wallet. For those that don't already know, Zano is a layer 1 platform that allows anyone to create their own privacy token. If anybody looking at the blockchain can't see what token you're transacting in or how many tokens you have or sending or receiving or anything about it at all. So to add a custom token to your own wallet in Zano, you're going to head on over to zano.org and you'll go to their block explorer, right? So under resources there, you'll have an explorer. And in the Explorer here, one of the choices, so you'll see in the menu there, Assets, tap on Assets, and here's the whitelisted asset, which is native to Zano coin, but you can tap on all assets and see all of them here. So you can see these are all the assets that people have been making recently, and the asset that's being given away at the moment that I'm going to use for this video is from Cake Wallet. So they made one that you can see it right there. It's Cake Wallet. The ticker is Cake, and then there's the asset ID, right? So you'll tap on the asset ID, and then you can see here's the asset ID. I'll tap on that, and I'll copy that to my clipboard. You open your Zano wallet, and then you'll see a button right there at the bottom. First whitelist asset, right? So I want to add Cake Wallet, right? So I'm going to paste my Cake Wallet ID right into there. We have that. And then I'll tap Add Token. And boom, everything's going to be there. So now we have Cake Wallet token right there. And it's just like that. You can add your own whitelisted asset. And in the previous video, I showed you how you can make your own confidential asset. That's a private token. You can zip it around the world totally privately and nobody knows how many you're zipping around, how many you have, how many you've received, or anything at all about that. It's really amazing. So it gives you a Monero level of privacy with the token that you can create yourself for just a couple of pennies worth of Zano. So head on over to zanolist.com to learn all the amazing things you can do with Zano, or zano.org to learn more about Zano in general.